Today we're making the smoking bitters. It's got smoke, and it's got some bitter. Stay tuned.
I'm not getting down there like that.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Ian. We're making for you the bitters. The bitters and smoke cocktail. Our executive producer is Daniel Friedrichs. This cocktail, and by the way, Daniel he's a executive producer because he subscribes to us on patreon.com/CMC, where you too can help fund the show. I could use your cash, so let's. The recipe for this crazy cocktail is an ounce of cynar and tequila against a half ounce of Fernet Branca and Mezcal. And typically you use a grapefruit peel, but I pre-squeezed all my grapefruit and the peels are all gone, so that's not going to be a thing. But you could do that. Watch our video right up here on garnishing to understand how you can garnish this for your drink. So, stir cocktail.
Can you actually measure with those on you?
So should we
We'll
mention?
find out.
So should we? Okay, if you're new here, he's wearing goggles. That's not normal. So
Might be the new normal. Who knows?
it could be. You know what? About 2 years ago.
Hurry up, let's go. I could do one episode.
About 2 years ago, he was wearing this getup
I'll
he's
find some
got.
padding.
If you go back enough, you'll see he just wears regular t-shirts like horsecock. Now,
And then I got fat and can't fit in any of my t-shirts, so I have to wear the same.
so now he's wearing his Halloween costume from like 2 years ago, and then he's been in it ever since. And now he's got goggles on his head. That might be normal from now on.
Yeah, the new normal. The new
Normal. So this drink is a stir drink. So you're going to take all your components, you're going to put them in a mixing glass. Completely available at awesomedrace.com. You should pick one up. Not the specific one, because we don't have those right now. They're expensive.
No, you already mixing glasses. And
Yeah.
why is it a stirred cocktail?
Because there's no juices. Just the essence of juice.
Ding, ding, ding.
Just the thought that, wow, that was aggressive.
Yeah, that was like...
That's because you have glasses on. You can't see where you're dropping.
my depth perception was off. I'm like,
Wow, it's like you've been drinking juice of the elder toad. Oh no.
It's like you're
There's a knife over there too.
mixing a cocktail.
Wow. This is, it's like,
He's doing a Stevie Wonder impression.
There you go. Jen's got it.
I have no idea what's going on. So now you're like, this is the craziest shit I have ever seen. So you're going to click like on YouTube's. You're going to click subscribe because you never know when crap like this is going to happen again.
And until it happens again, you'll just be disappointed the next week. Learn to live with disappointment. It's
Way
okay.
to sell it.
It
Hey,
happens.
you gotta temper expectations. You just can't keep raising the bar. Eventually, you hit a ceiling.
No, we don't hit ceilings. We only go up from here. Where are you going? I could bend over for you.
I'm not gonna go there.
All right, I just did with the laughing and the movement. You can't see it, but I jiggled my shoulders like it was funny, like a villain.
I didn't know if you're.
I was like a villain. You missed it. Yeah, exactly. So the idea behind smoke and bitters is cynar and Fernet are bitter, smoke is mezcal, and tequila's there just for the ride. Because that's what tequila does. They come in the back.
That's right. Jim Brewer knows.
They come in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't a Valentine's Day cocktail. That hasn't happened
You
yet.
let tequila in, and he
Comes in
hangs
the
out
back.
for a bit. Then he lets all his friends in the back door.
I like to come in the back. Oh, wait. That's not what we're talking about. This recipe was submitted by John Spikes. I'll give it a taste, and I'll tell you about who invented it and where you can find it. Besides here. Trey Hughes, Portland Hunt and Alpine Club in Portland, Maine.
Oh, Portland, Maine.
Yep.
Go ahead and slap me when I can't see.
Okay. And you can find this in theimbibemagazine.com. It's called Bitters and Smoke. Did I call it Smoke and Bitters? It's Bitters and Smoke. It doesn't really matter. It does what it says it's going to do.
It does. I can see smoking a cigar or a pipe while sipping on this cocktail.
It tastes like,
These are getting foggy. I can't do it anymore.
because you're getting warm. Oh, he couldn't make the entire episode, people. That's what his eyes look
There's
like.
no ventilation in these glasses.
Do normal glasses have ventilation?
Normal glasses don't seal against your face.
That's true. The goggles do.
Yeah,
but you're underwater.
A lot of times they have foam or something, and you're underwater. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, so you get the cold chill. Now you can see. What's it feel like?
It feels like a headache.
Oh, nice. So, this is it. Okay, so is it you? Okay.
Everything looks so different now.
Dude, why is this such a mess here? Anyway, so here's the thing.
You know.
Cynar. What did we say this was made out of?
Artichoke hearts.
Artichoke hearts. So you like cynar, you like bitter,
Yeah, I like bitter.
but you don't care for mezcal drinks.
This is okay.
Okay,
I mean,
so
I'm not. I'm not a hater. I'm just not the biggest mezcal fan. I mean, my first mezcal that I ever tasted was
Vita?
Vita, and
Yeah,
I'm
that's
like,
pretty
Bleh.
I don't see
That
this.
doesn't do justice to mezcal at all.
We drink a lot of mezcal, so much so that we don't really have a lot of mezcal because it's one of the things we drink the most. So, well, it's not that true. When we drink mezcal, we usually just drink a whole bottle at once, so it goes away fast.
Right.
We've had this, and it's almost gone, and this was shipped to me. It's El Bujo. I don't know where you get it. It just showed up from one of the folks I've done sponsorships with. They said, you have to try this. It was just one, like sometimes like people get so excited about their stuff.
Right.
They don't even care about pimping it or promotion. They
just
didn't
wanna
ask
share.
me for this to be on the show because they know that I couldn't give them a place to buy it.
right.
Because it wasn't really available at the time. They're just like, you need to try this. Because it's got that smokiness to it, that action.
It's good.
And this has that bitter, like, whatever Chinar's, that artichoke bitterness. It does have a little eucalyptus kind of dancing in the background.
From the Fernet.
Yeah. But it is a slight more bitter than I want in a mezcal drink.
Dance.
What's my dance?
Your dance.
I like this better than any of your fucking,
Campari drink?
Yeah.
Okay.
but it is still kind of bitter. But I could drink one of these. If I went to that bar that you didn't get to go to in New York, which
bitter
is
bar.
all the bitter place, that would be a drink. It would be low on the scale on the bitterness because it's not too intense, but it would be an enjoyable bitter drink, a good bitter drinking experience
good.
at a bar like that
Yeah, that's totally good.
because it's not extreme bitter and the eucalyptus kind
Is that
of.
descriptive enough?
gives
That's
it-
totally good.
That's totally,
It's totally
it's
good.
totally. This is like drinking.
Like, for sure.
It's like drinking the juice of the elder toad.
You and your elder toads. Is that like a pet name for your dick? Just Jen drink the
The juice of the elder toad. I don't think I'd want to call my penis. I don't want to say dick because it's YouTube.
Okay.
I don't think
do
I'd
you
call
carry
it.
YouTube?
I don't think I'd call it an elder toad.
I like the
it
name
doesn't-
elder toad. Elder toad sounds pretty cool.
It sounds wisdom. It sounds like a lot of wisdom, but a lot too many wrinkles.
Oh, it sounds
Hey.
like you're not getting
My penis isn't a lot of wrinkly.
I like the wrinkles.
They like the wrinkles. No.
The wrinkles are good.
But these
Well,
are things
I can't speak for all of them.
all of them, the females.
Wrinkles are not bad.
The four.
Wrinkles are texture, right? I mean, that's what you want.
They like texture.
You want texture.
Yeah, you want to lick
Wrinkles
that right
are
up.
in your brain. It means you're smart.
Brain wrinkles.
Yeah.
Brain wrinkles.
Maybe that's where all my wrinkles are then.
Yeah, maybe.
Smooth brain, no good. Wrinkle brain, all good.
I polish that shit.
Question. I don't even know where to go from here. Question of the day. Do you like mezcal? Have you had mezcal? And what's your favorite mezcal drink? Because I would like to know. Because I'd like to make more mezcal drinks.
Oh, there you go. Source.
And if you don't drink mezcal, write
Sourced.
that too. Make sure you write stuff. More comments mean these videos float to the top and get suggested to other users within the YouTube community, especially my own subscribers. So it's always good to leave comments and to leave likes. I can't remember if I gave you the coupon code FEB18 for this episode, but it's down there if you want to use it. Save 18% off at awesomedrinks.com. Now, I got to give it a few seconds because my motion graphics have to fade away.
Yes.
Now, what you can do is click on the sidebar where you'll find 2 videos, probably one's from learn.awesomedrinks.com, where you can learn how to make cocktails. I really need to say it earlier in the episode, but it's there. Down below, links to the Home Bartender Starter Kit, so you can get started in cocktails. Also get your bitters and liquors. No, we don't sell liquor. Bitters and syrups at awesomedrinks.com. We're teaching you how to drink.